voice we need. LanaCoin night, no 12, planting a seed. Step back, hear the rhythm, feel the fire burn. The messenger is here and it's our turn. Plan 15 echoes loud, can you hear that sound? Words like lightning striking all around. No whispers in the shadows, she screams from the heart, awakening the silence, tearing apathy apart. She's not here to convince, she's here to ignite, awakening the sleep and bringing thoughts to light. Speak truth, spread fire, that's the call. LanaCoin night, no 12, breaking down the wall. Her words are a movement, a groovy flow. With every verse, the revolution grows. Like a phoenix rising from ashes of the past, her voice is the future, a spell that's been cast. Traveling mouth to ear, soul to soul, a flame in the darkness, making us whole. The silence was heavy, the truth buried deep, but her rhymes are the promises we're ready to keep. No fear in her tone, just power and grace. LanaCoin night illuminating this place. Shout it out, hear us roar, breaking the chains. This is our moment, nothing remains the same. From whispers to roars, we're ready to rise. With the fire in our hearts, we'll paint the skies. Beneath the surface, where shadows lurk, she sheds light on the truths where the lies used to work. Every syllable a revolution, a beat to our hearts. No more silence in corners, now each voice imparts. Like a punch in the gut, her message it hits. No sugarcoating, just the raw and the grit. Her words shake foundations, roots run deep. In this game of silence, she stirs us from sleep. Speak truth, spread fire, that's the call. LanaCoin night, no 12, breaking down the wall. We're seeing from city to city, let the chorus ring out. With every heartbeat, we'll drown out the doubt. So raise your voice and let it be known. LanaCoin night, we finally grown. With truth as our shield and fire in our eyes, slogan loud and clear, let's reach for the skies. Speak truth, spread fire, that's the line. LanaCoin night, no 12, the future's divine.